two wires A and B have the same resistance R. If their lengths are in a 2:1 ratio and their radii are in a 1:2 ratio, what is the ratio of the specific resistances of the materials used in the wires A and B?
Ratio of lengths of the wires is given as 2:1. That means length of wire A divided by length of wire B is equal to 2/1. Ratio of radii of wires is given as 1:2. That means Ra by Rb is equal to 1/2. So we can find the resistance of wire A. Ra is equal to specific resistance of material of wire A into length of wire A divided by area of cross section of wire A. Area is equal to pi r square. So I can write pi Ra squared. Similarly, resistance of wire B is equal to specific resistance of material of wire B into length of wire B divided by pi Rb squared. It is given that resistance of wire A is equal to resistance of wire B. So we can write rho A into La divided by pi Ra squared is equal to rho B into Lb divided by pi Rb squared. So the ratio of specific resistance, that is rho A by rho B, is equal to Lb by La into Ra by Rb the whole squared. La by Lb is given as 2/1. Therefore, Lb by La is 1/2 into Ra by Rb is given as 1:2. So we can write 1/2 the whole squared. That's equal to 1/8. Therefore, ratio of specific resistances is equal to 1:8. Here the question is to find the ratio of wavelengths of different modes of vibration A, B and C. When you look at the diagram, this first one, A, here there is only one loop, that is fundamental knot. And here in the case of B, 2 loops are there, that is first overtone. And C, 1, 2, 3 loops are there, that is second overtone. So this first one is of fundamental frequency. Suppose let it be F. Then second one frequency will be doubled, that is 2F. And third one frequency is 3F. So if I ask you to find the ratio of frequencies, you can just find the ratio of number of loops. Ratio of frequencies is equal to 1:2:3. But we want ratio of wavelengths. Please understand, wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency. So if I have to get a ratio of wavelength, just I have to find the reciprocal of these terms. So that is 1/1 is to 1/2 is to 1/3. And I can make it in simple form. How? Multiply each term by the LCM. So the LCM of the denominators is 6. So what is the ratio? 6:3:2. So this is the answer.